When drafting and editing essays, it's important to keep referring to your plan. Your plan acts as a roadmap, guiding you through the writing process and helping you stay focused on your main points. As you draft, check your plan regularly to make sure you're following the structure and including all the points you intended to cover. This will stop you from drifting off topic and ensure that each section of your essay contributes to your overall argument or narrative. Editing your essay is just as important as writing it. Once you've finished your first draft, editing allows you to make improvements, fix mistakes, and refine your ideas. During editing, you can spot things like awkward sentences, unclear explanations, or missing information. It's also a chance to check for grammar and spelling errors. A well-edited essay is polished and easier to read, showing that you've taken the time to make your work the best it can be. Sometimes, it helps to take a break after drafting before you start editing, so you can approach your essay with fresh eyes. One technique to strengthen your essay is PEED, which stands for Point, Example, Explain, Develop. When drafting, each paragraph in the main body of your essay should start by making a clear point. This is the main idea you're discussing in that paragraph. After stating your point, you need to give an example to support it. The example can be a fact, quote, or detail that illustrates your point more clearly. Once you've given an example, you should explain how it supports your point. This step is crucial because it connects your evidence back to your argument and shows why it's important. Finally, you develop your idea further by adding extra details or connecting it to other points in your essay. PEED helps structure your paragraphs and ensures that each one is thorough and well supported. When drafting an impressive essay, it's essential to stay organized and keep your writing clear. Make sure each paragraph flows smoothly into the next by using transitions and linking words. This helps your essay read like a connected argument rather than a series of unrelated points. Editing is also where you can improve your word choice. Look for places where you can use more precise or interesting vocabulary to make your writing stand out. Another important part of editing is checking your introduction and conclusion to ensure they work well together. Your introduction should clearly outline what your essay is about, and your conclusion should reflect on your main points without repeating them word for word. A strong conclusion should leave the reader with a sense of closure and a clear understanding of your argument. In both drafting and editing, attention to detail matters. Keeping your writing focused, checking your work for clarity, and using the PEED structure for paragraphs will help you create an essay that is logical, well-argued, and polished. This process of drafting and refining ensures your essay is as effective and impressive as possible.